Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with Me. This is our March data science projects, and in this video we are diving into a data science domain using Python. This project is designed with the help of one of my closest friend who works as a data scientist at Amazon. And also let me tell you one thing, he is super camera shy guy and wants to stay anonymous, but honestly without him, this project, the project that we gonna do right now, this project would not be possible. So big shout out to him. So, and also let me tell you, massive thank you to him, because most of the work, even though the imports, the suggestions, each and everything, although the questions were mine, but the thing is, the execution part, the understanding part, he had helped me a lot, because he is like genius in DS in Amazon, and he is like very busy kind of guy. And even though I have told him to just join me in this video, at least through a video call, so that you people would be appreciating them, at least for the members, because I have told him this video will be for the members project, and just for the members if he can add. But as I've told you, he is super camera shy. But let's see, touch wood, if he joins, if he like says ki, okay, I will be joining you just for 2 or 3 minutes, like you will be at least getting a motivation to see how people work as a data scientist in Amazon. And actually these people are really genius, and really shout out to him and thanks to him. Although I won't be taking his name, but still I am very much thankful to him. So what we will be doing in this project, we will be taking care of the stock market concept. And no need to worry about, I know this is a data science project, lots of libraries will be new, because it was new to me. Simple, it will be also new to you, may not be, because you might be doing lots of projects, and you might be seeing this kind of libraries a lot of time. Although it was new to me, frankly speaking, god promise, it was new to me. And okay, let me tell you one thing, those who are on my stage, those who are new to this kind of libraries, no need to worry about. We are going step by step, line by line, from email data to match analysis to stock market concept and even training models. I will explain everything, and even the imports means import pandas as PD, I will also explain that. So no need to worry about, just stay with me till the end of the video, and it will be kind of fun kind of video. And please sip a cup of coffee or a tea, because I felt sleepy when he was teaching me all those things. Matlab, data science is really a huge, it's like a sea, it's a huge thing. I felt sleepy, god promise, I felt sleepy, and I know you also will feel sleepy when you will be checking out this project. So just grab a cup of tea or a coffee, or sleep at least 10 hours a day so that you don't feel sleepy. Just joking. My suggestion to you will be like, at least like per day 15 minutes to half an hour, till you are comfortable. Once you feel like, no, it is going out of comfort zone, it is like bit of I would say out of tough zone, comfort zone, no need to worry about, just pause the video and take some rest. Because I know in one day it is not possible for anyone to understand this data science topics, logics, concept and all, and that too it is stock market. So finance concept will be there. Although thanks to my friend, again I am saying thanks to my friend, I am not that much into data science, not that much into stock market thing, but still whatever he will teach me, whatever doubts he will clear out for me, this is like all the things that he will clear out for me, I will transfer all those things to you. If that is wrong, that thing also be transferred to you. I'm joking. So jokes apart, he won't be wrong, because he is working in Amazon from last, I think, 8.5, 8.8 years, 6 months to 9 years, like take 9 years, round of 9 years, as a data scientist in Amazon, right? So he is kind of senior to me, no doubt, but still, as a brotherhood, as a helping nature, he is really a good friend of mine. So because we were in the same building, that's why. So also what we have told, like I just went out of the track. Like I will also tell you each and everything related to the imports. So this is going to be long, but trust me, it is completely worth it. And to all my members, thank you so much, thank you so much. Your support push me to create this powerful detailed content till the end. Let me tell you that. Why I'm saying this, because related to the detail part, I will take care of it. You have paid for it, I will make sure you get double value from it. That's my promise to you all. That's my promise to you all. And if you still face any doubts after this video, no worries, I am there to help you out. If something is beyond my mind or beyond my knowledge or beyond his teaching, his means my friend's teaching, what I will do, I will directly send your doubts to him, and I will take help of my friend and get the answer for you. But let me tell you, just a alert sign, or I would say, yeah, alert sign kind of thing. He is very busy person. I mean to say, data scientists are really busy kind of people. Saturday, Sunday also they like are busy with their work. So just don't. Like I would say sorry from starting. The thing is, he might reply to my messages after a long period of time, because see, anyhow, apart from his work, he is giving me a lot of time for this project. So that's why I'm really thankful for him. And also let me tell you, related to the doubts, at whatever time and whatever days gap, he sent me the solution for the doubts, your doubts that is asked to me and that is beyond my knowledge, and that is shared to him. I mean to say, that kind of doubts. So it will take a good quality time. So sorry for that, sorry for the delay from starting, because see, we have to take care of each and everything, and we have to keep each and everything on track, so that the third party, you, me, each and everyone is coordinated properly, and everything goes in a smoother way. So that's all about it. Now let's jump to the mail and let's get started. So what is this mail all about? Let me just shift the camera a little bit. Yeah, everything is good to go. So we have received a mail, project requirement, 10 years historical stock data analysis for top 10 NSE companies. So this mail is from National Stock Exchange, Mumbai, India. Let's read the mail. And this is a dummy mail, so don't think it is a real kind of scenario. But let me tell you one thing, all the requirements that we will be doing out here, we will be performing here, are totally related to data science background. I mean to say, whatever my friends told me related to this, it will be kind of behind the scenes kind of logical part, technical part, and I would say the Python part, the commands writing, logic, each and everything are kind of behind the scenes. So it is kind of inspirational video in data science point of view. So let's read the mail and let's chase the requirements. So it's like, dear Shubham, okay, we hope this mail finds you well. Yeah, I am well, thank you. We are reaching out from National Stock Exchange of India to engage your service for a critical data analysis project. Okay, so it is a data science project, but anyways, we have to do the analysis part. So I think it's an analysis kind of thing. But anyways, so what's the project objective? Let's read that. We require a comprehensive Python based solution to download and process 10 years of historical stock data for India's top 10 performing companies listed on NSE. That's a good thing. So what's the detailed requirement? Okay, detailed requirement are data source, okay, data source and collection. So data source and collection, it's like utilizing Yahoo Finance API to fetch historical stock data. We will be taking care of APIs as well. So it's a complete valuable project. So still I'm saying, grab a cup of coffee or a tea. Time period 10 years, because yeah, in the this thing subject line we have seen, it's a 10 years ka data we have to take care of through the API. So time period, last 10 years, 3650 days from today's date. So data retrieval should be automated and online. Okay, no worries. ठीक है. Yeah, obviously it will be automated because APIs are involved. Simple. So these are the companies like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 companies are there as they have told top 10. Just checking. You have to check each and everything. Reliance, TCS, HDFC, Nifty, HUL, ICICI, Airtel, SBI, L&T, ITC. Okay, good. We will take care of that. Technical specification, language Python. Okay, we will like in the mail only they have told. I think. See, Python based solution. Okay. So obviously it's purely Python based. No need to worry about. So data group. Okay, language Python. We have done with that. Data group by ticker for better organization. Ticker is what? Stocks. We will understand that. No worries. Progress tracking enabled during download. Okay, expected download time 2-3 minutes चलेगा, no worries. Data validation showing total trading days and data set dimension, कोई बात नहीं, we will do it. Deliverable expected, sorry for my working Python script with proper error handling, we will do it. So error handling is there. Clear console output with step-by-step execution log, organized data structure ready for further analysis, code documentation and comments. Okay, so additional preference code should be production ready, include visual progress indicators during data download, output summary with data metrics. Timeline, we require completion within 5 business days from project start. Okay, that's it. Budget range as discussed in your previous conversation. Okay, please confirm your availability and understand this requirement. Feel free to reach out if you need any clarification or have technical question. Okay, or have technical question. ठीक है, looking forward to your response. Best regard, data science team, NSC and all. ठीक है, let's move to the, or should we write a mail? Like I think we should write a mail. ठीक है, so we have to write a reply mail. Before that, let me show you. You should be prepared with something like related to this. You should be prepared with the actually here I am having my recording screen, my OBS studio, so my head will be tilted there. That means I am checking just screen is on a proper basis or not. No need to worry about. So this is the like Jupyter notebook. Please be prepared with each and everything. We will be conducting each and every logical part, requirement analysis, each and everything through here. So now let's see what mail, or like what mail should we reply to them. So the thing is, let's reply. What should we reply? Okay, let's reply because they are professional guys, that's why I'm saying let's reply like, thank you for sharing the project requirement and we are confirming our availability and understanding of all specification. We will share this project details immediately and deliver the Python solution within the timeline, whatever timeline they have given. So let us write that thing. Where is it? Let us write that thing here. Where? So it's like, hi team, thank you, thanks for sharing the project details with us, and also, is it visible? Yeah, thank you for choosing us for the project, right? For the project, we will deliver the project in proper time and also update to you in each step, right? That's the thing. Let's write regards. Oh, always my, I don't know why I have this spelling mistake. Shubham DA freelance. ठीक है, let's execute this. Chalo, done and dusted. Hi team, thank you for sharing the project details with us. Is it visible? Yeah. And also thank you for choosing us for the project. We will deliver the project in proper time and also update to you in each steps. So let's send this mail and let's start with importing the libraries in our Jupyter notebook. So let's jump to the Jupyter notebook and let's start our work. So this is the Jupyter notebook where we will be doing our work, and I hope this thing is visible. This much is too much, this much is okay, right? Is it okay, right? I think this much is okay, like it is visible. So first thing first, we will import all the libraries. What is the first library we will import? First we will import Y Finance. What does it do? It download the stock market data from Yahoo Finance, because I have told you related to APIs. So APIs are what? It downloads data, real time data from the internet. So for now, I mean for this project basis, we will take care of a library or the API, that is Y Finance. What does it do? It download the stock market data from Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance, good website related to the stock market. And like I would say, these are the real stock prices from the internet. It is no buffering, nothing. Real stock prices, real stock. It's not like I'm bluffing or something. It's not like that. You can go and check that out. And why do we need it? Why do we need it? Main question, we need it to get the actual stock data like price, volume, dates, and all those stuffs. So first thing is import Y Finance, and we will give a alias. So import Y Finance as YF. Okay, that's the thing. Now this is the first thing, and I have told you I will teach you line by line, so no need to worry about it. It is visible, yeah, it is visible there. Second thing, we will import pandas and SPD. What does it do? It help us organize data in tables, example like Excel, Google spreadsheet, all those stuff, and make the data easy to read, organize, and work with them. And also, why do we need it? Main question, why do we need it? We need it because stock data comes in kind of messy number, messy data set. Because if you have checked my previous videos, or if you have joined my live stream, you might be knowing what kind of messy data we are handling on a daily basis related to the assignment practice. So stock data comes as messy numbers, and this pandas library make it clean in rows and columns. So import pandas as PD. As PD. Wherever I will create mistakes, so sorry for that in advance, because I will create mistake because I am first time doing this data science project, not with the libraries, but yeah, the project is new. But anyways, we will cover each and everything. Third thing is like NumPy. We will import NumPy with the alias, and what does it do? It does mathematical calculation in a very faster way. And mathematical matlab simple maths operation on numbers and list. So we need to do calculation on stock prices to prepare data for the AI, because this is a data science project and we need AI and ML part. So this is the thing. So import NumPy as NP. Import NumPy as NP. Okay. Right now, let's move to the fourth line, which is like matplotlib, because matplotlib, sorry for the mumbling. The thing is, we will be also checking out the graphs and all. Like if you have checked my YouTube post, you will be aware of it. So we will import matplotlib.py plot as PLT. So it creates graph and charts like drawing pictures of data, or like in class 10th and 12 you might have used the graph part. So I would say simple line graph, bar chart, Scatter plot we will use it, not that high, not that low, but in a stage where you can understand this in a proper way. So what does it do, or why do we need it? We need it to show stock trends as graph that looks nice, and it also do not make our project boring. Actually, that's the main thing. So we will import matplotlib.pyplot and we will give a alias. So import matplotlib.pyplot as what alias should we give? Tell. PLT. Obviously, that's the universal alias. So matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Okay. Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Done. Right now we have entered the visualization part, so we will import Seaborn as well. So we will import Seaborn because to make sure the graph look better in a good way, in a better way. I mean, it makes the graph look beautiful for our project and we don't feel sleepy. Actually, I told the same thing to my colleague and my friend. He told me to no need to add this Seaborn. I told him if we don't add this Seaborn library, I will sleep. God promise I will sleep, and I know everybody will sleep. So make sure we add this thing. So we will be importing Seaborn as SNS. Right now what should we import next? We, like, if you have seen the this thing, what we say, let me show you the mail first. Where is it? Let me show you the mail. Okay, in this mail, is it visible? Yeah, in this mail we have to take care of the years part. Okay, means here the date, the month, the time involvement is there. So in this way we will take care of the date and time. That's why I will import date time library in this. Let's jump into the Jupyter notebook. Is it visible? Yeah, visible. Chalo. So what I will do right now, I will import date time from date time, and I will be taking care of time delta. Why I will take time delta? We will understand this when I will be writing the command here, and in this video I will make sure you understand it. Actually, I am making like part videos, so this is the first part of the video, right? If you tell, I can upload in parts as well, right? So we will import date time, time delta from date time. And what it does, date time, what it do, it gets today's date and time, because we want 10 years from now. So it's like dot now. When you write it, it's like aaj ka date, today's date it will give. And what does time delta will do? I am importing the things right now, that's why I'm saying time delta calculates the differences in days. Okay, if you do plus time delta, it's like 2026 plus 10 years. Okay, if you do date now minus time delta, minus means it goes 10 years ahead, like 2025, 24, like from 2016 to 26, it's like minus uh, time delta. And for plus, I will show you each and everything, just chill. For plus time delta, it's like the next 10 years, like 26, 27 till 36, like that. We will do it, no need to worry about, just an explanation part. You can take notes as well. And okay, date time done, time delta done. And why do we need it? I've shown you the mail, but still, to set time period for downloading historical stock data. Sorry for the mobile call. To what we will do, we will set time period for downloading historical stock data, and you have seen the mail as well. We need 10 years ka data, that's why. So what we will do, we will import date time. So it is like from date time, import date time, and in this we will also take time delta as well. Time delta. Okay, so it's like this. Let us just give a separate part. Okay, right now time delta done. Okay, right now let's move to something which is related to the ML part, AI ML part right now. Okay, here we will take care of this what we say skykit-learn. ठीक है, sklearn if you know about it, but if you don't know I will tell you about this as well. So we will import min max scalar and we will import the standard scalar. Why we will do it? Because this convert the numbers to a smaller range, right? If you write a smaller range matlab 0 and 1 inside that, because if you write big numbers, see like Reliance stock is what right now it is going maybe in 1000, but we will take it in a smaller number so that each and everything stays on a graph. Right now we will import min max scalar, right? What does min max scalar do? Min max scalar convert all numbers between 0 and 1. I am just remembering the thing and I am just telling you. Second thing we will import is like standard scalar. What standard scalar does, it's like it converts the number so they have a average, just to find the average. If you go in a layman's language, it will just find the average for us. Why do we need it? And as I've told you, we are moving into the AI/ML part. From now we will be importing all the libraries related to AI/ML. And why do we need it? Why do we need it is like AI models work better with smaller number, right? Time processing, we will see a good amount of delay. If there will be a huge number, doesn't matter whatever MacBook you are using, whatever Python SQL you are using, it will take time. That is the reason. Actually my friend told me this, that's why I'm saying if we take a smaller number, it will help us to give us the output in less time. And AI models work better with smaller number instead of this huge number, because stock market numbers, you know, and that too top 10 NSE markets, bro, 10,000 plus ka price range hai. Anyways, what things we will do? We will import min max scalar and we will import standard scalar. ठीक है, let me write it here. We will import min, what we will import? We will import min max scalar. ठीक है, and also we will import one more thing, that is standard scalar. ठीक है, scalar, and this things will be imported from skykit-learn. So it is like sklearn dot pre-processing, like we have done this na from it. We will do it here from sklearn dot pre-processing, import this from sklearn dot pre-processing, import min max scalar and standard scalar. Actually why I have written like this, because my friend told me to write like this, like capital M small m. I told him ki can we write in a smaller way? He told you can write it, but it might create issue in between the project, so it is better to use this keywords like capital M, capital S and all those stuffs. ठीक है, so this is the thing. Right now we have entered into the AI part, that's why right now we will use train test split, and this thing will be taken from skykit-learn I mean to say. But from skykit-learn we will go to model selection. From model selection we will import this train test split. What it does, it divide the data into training and testing part, as the name suggests, train test split. What it does, it divides the data into training and testing part. And simple meaning I would say, it splits the data into 80% for the execution and 20% for the laboratory work. I mean to say 80% for the execution part, 20% for the testing part. And I have told laboratory part so that you can connect to me, that's why. So it does that. Simple, train and test, train test split. Understood? Train test split, simple. It is an example like 80% to teaching or execution, or you can say useful part, and 20% for testing. So why do we need it? We need it to teach AI on some data and test the same thing if it learn correctly. If not, we will execute it again. So it's like from sklearn dot, and in sklearn we will take this thing from model selection. ठीक है, where is it, model selection, import import test split, train test split, train test split. ठीक है, this is the thing. And what it does, it just divide the data for training and the testing part. ठीक है, as the name suggests, simple as it is. So right now we will also import related to MSE, MAE, and some accuracy part and R2 score. I know these words are too much kind of technical part. It literally, I felt sleepy when I was learning this, but no need to worry about. Right now from sklearn.metrics, like we have done this, right? sklearn.preprocessing, sklearn.model selection. Right now we will do sklearn.metrics. From this we will import MSE, which is like mean squared error, MAE, which is like mean absolute error. Then we will also import R2 score. We will also import accuracy score. What it is all about? Chill. What is MSE? MSE is like check error purpose. It is like used for checking the average error in the prediction, because we will be creating prediction models. That's why. So lots of things to learn in this project. What does MSE do? MSE, what's the full form of it? It's like mean squared error, right? What it does, it checks the average error in prediction, as the name suggests, mean squared error. So mean is what? Average error in prediction. Simple. MAE, which is like mean absolute error. What it does, it checks the average mistake size. Average mistake size. Average is what? Mean. Absolute error is like mistake size, right? Error is there and mistake size will be checked. So this is MSE and MAE. Right now we will go to R2 score. What does R2 score do? R2 score gives the score from 0 to 1. For like, we have kept this so that the number would be small and accuracy will be high, right? I mean to say, in the graph it will be easy for you to check this out. That's why R2 score is like, it gives the score from 0 to 1. And then we will go to accuracy score. So what accuracy score do? Accuracy score just, it find out the percentage of the correct prediction, the prediction that we have done on MSE, mean squared error. So whatever prediction we have done here, it find out the percentage of the correct prediction. So why are we using it? To know if the AI model is working properly or do we need some improvement, right? That's why we are using this. So it's like from sklearn dot, what's the thing? sklearn dot metrics import. What we have to import? We have to import mean squared error, mean squared error. Oops, sorry. Then what we will import? We will be importing mean absolute error. ठीक है? Absolute error. Then what we will import? We will import R2 score. Then what we will import? We will import accuracy score as well. Is it recording now? Sorry. Otherwise I would be speaking here and here the recording has been stopped. So again I have to drink a cup of coffee and then start joking. Metrics from Sky. Okay, here there is a mistake. It's CS, not metrics, not that, not John Wick. It's metrics, not XCS, right? So this thing is done. Right now what we will do, we will also import one more thing from sklearn, that is scikit-learn, and from cluster. Like we have went for pre-processing, we have went for model selection, we have right now went to the metrics part. Right now we will go to the cluster part. So from sklearn.cluster we will import mean. What is k mean? We will import that. What does k-mean do? K-mean groups similar data points together. It is used for grouping part. And what it actually do is like it will find patterns and group similar days in stock movement, right? Similar days. Suppose ki 10 years data is there, right? Similar days in the sense, suppose example, let me tell you about gold and silver. During December, there was a crash in gold and silver, right? During the January end or February starting, there was the same crash. What happened, in that time, we have seen the pattern is almost same. Pattern is same. And if we group the same pattern or the similar days, it will group in what month? In December month and in February month, because they have shown the same pattern, they have shown the same crash, they have shown us the same crash ka percentage, right? That's why I'm saying this group the similar data, or I would say this finds the pattern, similar pattern, and group the similar days in stock movement. This is the example I have told you for gold and silver. And why do we need it? We need it to find patterns in how stock move upwards, downwards, stable days, sideline, sideways market. Sideways market, no up, no down. It will go in a single way. Like I mean to say, if you give the resistance and what we say, I forgot R1 and S1. Anyways, I forgot that. Anyways, it's like resistance and one more thing is that. Anyways, it's like what happens in stable days. In stable days, it does not move up, does not move down. It stays on a single line, right? So that are stable days. Upward days is like what we have seen in the January month for gold and silver. It like moves up. Down days, what we have seen the pattern for December and January end or February starting. I think I don't remember that. So like this kind of scenario will be seen. Will be these patterns will be found out by the k means, and it will give us the average about it. So it's like from, where is it, from sk learn dot cluster import k oops means. ठीक है, so it's like from sklearn dot cluster import k means. ठीक, it's done. Right now we will import something which is, this is the last thing of skyscale-learn. Then we will move to TensorFlow also related to what we say AI/ML and deep dive kind of thing, like finding the deep learning kind of thing. Deep learning, if you understand that, deep learning kind of thing. So this is the last thing from skyscale-learn, and we will use something related to predicting the numbers. For predicting the numbers, we have two functions to get import from the library. What we will import? We will import random forest regressor, and also we will import gradient boosting regressor, right? What does it do? It creates AI model that predicts number. We will be, as I've told you in the starting of the project, we will be creating AI models and we will be training them. We will be tell them to predict the data as and all. That's why it will be creating AI models that predict numbers. So it is all about the sklearn dot ensemble, and from there we will be importing two things, that is regressor random forest regressor, and second thing is gradient boosting regressor. So what this two things does? Random forest regressor, they uses the decision tree and make simple decision command. If you have learn about statistics and all probability statistics in or linear algebra in your 11th 12th, you might have understood this thing. I don't have that much understanding. I know the basics part, that's why I'm saying. So what it does, it create the decision tree for simple decision. That's it. Create the decision tree. This what random forest regressor do? Second thing is gradient boosting regressor. What it does, gradient boosting regressor builds models step by step, improving each time. In each step, it will improve because we are training an AI model, right? At the starting stage, AI model will be dumb. Second stage, AI model will be okay, chalo, I have some knowledge. Third stage, AI model will be combining all the three knowledge and gaining some more and giving us the output. So what does this gradient boosting regressor do? Gradient boosting regressor, this builds models step by step. In, I mean to say, it will be improving step by step and builds models step by step. That's the thing. And these are powerful AI models for predicting the future stock process. Actually, my friend told me this. There are lots of libraries, lots of functions to import. These are the functions from libraries that we should import and we should go for the work. To be honest, there are lots of things. The video will be huge. Like it will, the timeline of the video will be huge. That's why I'm saying. So we will be taking care of the gradient boosting regressor and random forest regressor. So it's like from sklearn dot what was the ensemble we will import ensemble we will import two things: random forest regressor, forest regressor. I think we need to, yeah, it's capital R, random forest regressor, and then we will go for gradient boosting regressor. Gradient boosting regressor. ठीक है. I hope each and everything spelling are correct. If not, we will get error and we will correct it. No worries. Thanks to Python for that. Random forest regressor and gradient boosting regressor. What it does, these are the powerful AI models for predicting future stock prices. Let's see how much stock prices they predict. So here we have done with our sklearn part. Right now we will go to TensorFlow. What is TensorFlow? TensorFlow is kind of a, I would say, Google library which is used for deep learning part. So it is used for deep learning part and it is from Google. That's what I'm saying. So we will import TensorFlow right now. What TensorFlow do? It's a deep learning deep learning library, and it makes very advanced AI models. And this TensorFlow is from Google, right? You can check that out. And what it does, it create a kind of neural networks that AI mimics the thinking ability. Like as per the human thinking, they will just reflect or they will give you the mirror image of the thinking ability. And also, like, it help us to build models like LSTM and GRU models. What is LSTM and GRU? This is the advanced AI models for prediction. So we will import TensorFlow and give a alias. Import TensorFlow STF. ठीक है. And what it does, it builds lots of powerful AI models like LSTM and GRU. I don't remember other AI models, but whatever he had told me, my friend had told me, it is from Google, and also it help us to mimic the human brain thinking. Either mimic or either give you the mirror image of human brain thinking, right? So LSTM and GRU. I hope I am not wrong in this. So we will import TensorFlow as TF. I hope everything is okay till here. Right now we will import some functions from the TensorFlow. Right now we will import sequential from TensorFlow. What sequential does, it creates simple neural network model, right? As I've told you, what does TensorFlow do? TensorFlow will create the AI prediction model, and AI prediction model requires the neural network label where it will mimic or it will just give you the mirror image of the thinking ability of a human being. So we will import sequential, and what it will do, it will help us to framework the AI prediction model. Like each and every model have a framework, so it will help us to create a framework for AI prediction model. So let's import this. Import TensorFlow, and for this we will have to go to TensorFlow, Keras and models, right? TensorFlow dot Keras and models. I know there will be lots of doubts from here. You can ask your doubts, no worries for that. I will ask him and he will help us out, but there will be a delay in messaging, no worries for that. Although he had taught me whatever time he had in his hand, he had taught me, and that is what I am teaching you right here. So Keras and models, and from there we will take from there we will import. Oh, sorry. It's like from TensorFlow we will import sequential. ठीक है. What it does, it help us to create a framework for AI prediction model. ठीक है. Import sequential. Right now let's move to the last part where we will import lots of layers. ठीक है. You can write notes from here and we will import lots of layers. So I will write each and everything here and then I will explain. So it's like we will be importing from TensorFlow dot Keras dot layers, and we will import lots of things. ठीक है. Each and everything I will explain you here by writing the part. First thing, what it does. First thing first, what these things will do. It will help us to add our AI model in this project. So I mean to say, it will help us to add all the differential parts together in the AI model to find the output. This is what TensorFlow.Keras.layers will do. I mean all those functions that we will import. First function which we will import is LSTM. Like I've told you, related to the AI models, LSTM and GRU. LSTM means long short term memory. LSTM. It remembers all data what happens past days, in past days. ठीक है. LSTM, long short term memory. What it does, it remembers the old data. That's it. So we will import LSTM. ठीक है. Second thing what we will import GRU, or let us go line by line whatever he had taught me, or we can import GRU as well, because the thing is in GRU. So what is GRU? What does GRU do and what is GRU? GRU is gated recurrent unit. What it does, it is similar to LSTM but in a very simple way. I mean to say, no such hodgepodge is there in GRU. In LSTM, it is an, I mean, just understand like this. LSTM is an advanced AI prediction model. GRU is an basic AI prediction model. So LSTM and GRU we will import from here. Second thing, we will go to dense. What does dense do? Dense connects all the neuron to each other. It is a connecting layer. ठीक है. Dense, what it does, it connect all the neural network in the AI, connecting layer kind of thing. Then we will import one more thing, that is dropout. What does dropout do? Dropout randomly ignore some neurons which prevent overfitting and which is like over accessing the processing part. It will just ignore it, it will keep it side and let the workflow continue in a proper way. We have imported dense. Now right now we will import dropout. So let's import dropout. ठीक है. So LSTM done, GRU done, dense done, dropout done. We have one more thing. We have to like understand the pattern in 1D For finding the patterns in 1D, we have uh, conversion 1D kind of thing. I'm just forgetting 1D. Conversion 1D something is there. I hope we will get error here, but we will correct it. So what conversion 1D, like CONV 1D, what it does, it convert, or I would say it find the pattern in and it convert to 1D data, just like time series model. If you have understanding related to time series model, it does that. What it do, it will find the pattern in 1D data, and it will find the pattern and convert it into 1D data. So it's like a time series model. So conversion 1D, CONV 1D. I hope I will get error here, but we will change it, no need to worry. Next we have max pooling 1D. What it does, whatever data or pattern we have found out and we have converted to 1D, it reduces the data size by taking out the maximum value. It will take out the maximum value and reduce the data size. As the name suggests, max pooling 1D, not cooling but pooling. Max pooling 1D. Okay, that's the thing. Right now we had to take care of two more things, that is flatten and second is input. In flatten, what it does, it converts the multidimensional data to 1D, right? It is a part of conversion 1D. Like I've told you, it will find the pattern and convert to 1D. It is a part of it. So flatten helps CONV conversion 1D data, and what kind of help it does, it converts the multidimensional data to 1D. Okay, so flatten, as the name suggests, 3D model, 2D model, it will come, it will flatten, create a 1D model and help conversion CONV 1D in his work, his or her work, I don't know, but in the work. And last but not the least is the input. What does input do? Input will start layering when the data enters through the API. Input will just start layering when the data comes through API. And what are all these things? The TensorFlow.keras.layers. These are the building blocks of neural network. Why do we actually need neural network? We need neural network so that the AI model just mimics the thinking ability, or just keep a mirror image of the thinking ability for the AI model. So that's the thing. And there are, I think, one more. I think we should take it or not. Actually, my friend told me we can ignore this thing, but let me tell you one thing. Let us import this data as well. I mean, import this library as well. That library is early stopping. Matlab, I mean to say, actually, my friend had told me to ignore this function from the library, because the thing is ki what does this function do is, like, it will tell AI to stop when it is not giving a better prediction or it is not learning better, to be on the safe side. But I have thought to add it, because if some error happens in near future, this library function will help us out. So it is like ki early stopping function, and what it does, it stops the AI from learning. If the AI is, suppose if the AI is learning on a better way with good accuracy and zero error, good to go. If not, it will tell AI to stop it then and there and move back, learn again, and move forward. It's like that, right? So it is like early stopping, and it comes from callbacks. So let me write it here from TensorFlow. Let's, to be on the safe side, let's take the safe side. Why to matlab, like, we will be doing the project, and if something happens in the between, we have to record the video again and then we have to do it, so time waste will be there. That's why. So let's, to be on the safe side, callbacks, import. Here we will import early stopping. And what early stopping do, it will stop AI to learn if the AI is giving less accuracy data from, like, in the output. Like, less accuracy data in the output means what? AI is not performing better and AI is not learning better. So it will tell AI to stop and again retrieve those data and learn and then give the output. So these are the things that, I mean, libraries that we have to import, and let's execute it. Let's pray to God and let's execute it. Let's see if we don't get any error. Oh, we have done the execution part. You can see here. Let's see. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Oh my goodness. I thought what I believe, like I thought like I will get error from here, but anyhow we are on the safe side and this worked well. This worked well. So okay. Right now it's good to go. Right now we will be selecting the stock. Let's jump into the mail part. Okay? That's the mail part, and we will just take all the stocks. Let's just copy it and we will give it a name. I mean, we will keep this in a list. So box bracket, I think, yeah, in box bracket we will create this in a list, because in list we will be taking the help of indexing and we can do some modification or manipulation part. Let's, oops, sorry, let's just copy this. I will copy it and I will paste it. I won't be doing that much thing right here. So let's give stocks, okay? stocks stocks, and let's paste each and everything. Oops. My goodness, my goodness. So this quotation mark will be here. Oh, I don't know why I should. It's good. Oops. ठीक है. Oh, thank God. But what happened here, यार? चलो ठीक है. Right now let's go here and delete everything. ठीक है. Right now let's go here and give a comma. चलो. Reliance this, comma this, comma this, and done. Done and dusted. And now let's do one thing. Let's execute it. We have done the selection of stock directly from the mail. Why I have took it directly from the mail? So that there is no error. That's why. And let's execute it. What happened here? Oops. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So we have, चलो let's execute. अब क्या हो गया भाई? Oh, sorry for this. Right now it's okay. So we have left this closing bracket and this quotation mark. So no worries. Execution is done. You can see it here. Okay? And we have took the stocks. 10 stocks done and dusted. So what we have done, we have created a list of 10 Indian stocks that we want to analyze directly from the mail, and each stock has one common thing. I know you might be having a doubt here. Each stock is having a common thing for .ns. .ns means what? NSE. Simple. NS matlab National Stock Exchange. For NSE, this is .ns. So these are the top 10 Indian companies, I mean, as per the mail. And for them, why we have clicked .ns, you know this .ns means National Stock Exchange. It represents the National Stock Exchange. So .ns, and we have done the execution part. So stock detail, you know properly what it is all about. So that's the thing. Right now, the execution part in Python. Execution part in Python. What we will do? We will be taking care of the 10 years का data. ठीक है? We will be taking care of the 10 years का data. So we will be using a start date and a end date. ठीक है? What I have told you earlier, like date time library I have imported, and I have told you like I will select the now date. Today's date is now, and we will go 10 years back. So we will take end date. Today is the end date. Starting date will be 10 years ahead. I hope you got it. ठीक है, starting date will be 10 years ahead and today is the end date, that is 10 February 2026. Today I am doing the project, that's why. So end date is date time dot now. Simple. ठीक है, that's the thing. It's like we will be telling Python to take today's date, and dot now is the function which retrieve today's date. Simple as it is. Right now we will go to start date. What is start date? Simple. Like, how can you find the start date if I ask you related to this? Start date, how you will find it? If I have given you the today's date and I have told you 10 years ahead will be the start date, or suppose example, let's take today is 10 February, ठीक, and I tell you to take the 2 days before का date, what you will do? You will do end date, मतलब now today's date, that is 10 minus 2, it is 8. 8 February is 2 days ahead. It is like that. If I tell you to find 2 days, 2 days ahead मतलब ahead of 10, 2 days after 10, what you will do? Today's date, that is date time dot now plus 2, it will be 10 plus 2, that is 12 February. It is like that. Right now we will be doing time delta part. Like I've told you, time delta, what it does, time delta help us to calculate the date as per the given data. Let's write this. Starting date, start, oops, sorry, date equal to date time, today's date. Like if I've told you कि I need from today, I need 2 days ahead का date, what you will do? 10 February minus 2, that is 8. Same thing we will be doing. Suppose this is 10 February minus, then we will write time delta, sorry, time delta, and in time delta we will give the number of days. That's the execution part. Days equal to 1 year having how many days? 365 days. So 10 years will be having how many days? 365 into 10. So 3650. Okay? This is the thing. Time delta. What time delta does? It helps us to use the number of days to find the date. If it is like previous, then minus. If it is like after, then plus. Like I've told you, 2 days previous, 10 minus 2, 2 days after, 10 plus 2. That's it. So why, you know, one more thing, why like 3650? Because 1 year is having 365 days and it's like 365 into 10, so 3650 days. So let's check the thing. It's like time delta and all done and dusted. Right now what we will do, we have done each and everything right here. So let's check again. I hope each and everything is properly done and dusted. Let me check. Library is done. All those cascade learn. I'm just checking, like, do we have to add something else or not? That's what I'm saying. So we have done each and everything. Start date done and dusted. Okay. So that's the thing. Right now we will take some let's execute it. Let's see if it is executing or not. Okay, it's executing. Like if I print if I print end date, this is the end date, and if I print the start date, 13 Feb 2016. So end date and start date is done and dusted. Right now what we will do, we will see the magic of APIs. Magic of API is we will take YF, that is Yahoo Finance, and we will download all those data from this start date and from this end date. For that, what we will do, this is, let me delete it. Okay, this execution done. Right now I will write, suppose stock data. Stock data. Right now what I will do, yf is what, the alias that we have given to Yahoo Finance. Okay, I will say yf dot download. Now see API magic and how it will do the work. We will write stocks. In that we will say start equal to start date. Start date and equal to end date. And in this we will also find out the data related to the stocks. Simple. We will find out the data related to the stocks. And in Y Finance, I mean to say in the Yahoo Finance, if you go and check, the Yahoo Finance give ticker name as the stocks. Like we tell as a human being, we say stocks, right? The same technical word in finance is ticker, TICKER. So what we will do, we will group by the data as per stocks. So group by ticker, right? We will do group by ticker, and in this we will write progress equal to true. Okay, simple as it is. We will write progress equal to true, right? And let's see if each and everything is properly done and dusted or not. Okay, let's check this out. Let's execute this and let's see what it is all about. I hope it works. See, it is working. I hope it's working. Why it is stopped at 80%? What happened? None type object is not subscript. But why? Right now it's working. Okay. I understood. The thing is ki after giving this close bracket, I think we have not executed it. So that's why it was showing an error. So right now you have seen how we have downloaded the data through APIs. And let's talk about all those things like stocks, start date, why we have written this, why we have written group by. Let's talk about this. So let's understand this. In this line, what we have? First thing first, in this line, what we have? Simple. You can see this. We have stocks, we have start, we have end, we have group by, we have everything. Okay? We have end, we have group by, each and everything. Let's break it down step by step. What is this? Related to stocks. Okay, first, okay, start from here. What is this yf dot download? What it do? It downloads data from Yahoo Finance. Simple. Now let's go to stock. What does stocks do? Whatever stocks list we have given here. See, whatever stocks list we have given here, what it does is like for the 10 companies name that we have given for NSC, because .ns is there. For NSC, they retrieve all those data from the API. Then we have start equal to start date. What we have done, we have given this variable and we have told ki start date will be this thing starting from 10 years ago, because minus 10 years after not possible, 10 years ago, that's why minus. And we have end date matlab now, today, now. So it is like until today, 10 years ahead until today. Okay? Group by ticker. Group by equal to ticker, same as stocks. It organize what it does. Group by in SQL, what it does, group by, it organizes the data properly and it gives you the output. Suppose in SQL, what you do group by, suppose sum of sales for group by categories, right? For each and category, it will give you the sales ka data. What it does, it organizes data, so each company data is separate, like having separate folder for each company. And what I have told you, what is ticker and stocks, these are the same thing. The ticker word is used in Yahoo Finance, that's why we have used ticker here. That's why that's the thing. And what is progress equal to true? What it does, because at the last we have used the progress equal to true. What it does is like it shows a progress bar while downloading this one, the progress bar that you can see. That's it. The just the downloading percentage. If you remove this, no worries, it won't show anything. If you keep it, then also it's okay and good to go. That's the thing. And right now what we have each and everything. And if you want to see the, suppose if you want to see the total number of days you want to see, let's go and check that out. Let's find out the total number of data, stock data. Let's find out that. So let's print total number of stock data, right? Let's use total trading days. Okay, let's use this total trading days. In this, what we will do, we will just keep the length of the stock data. We will just keep the length of the stock data and we will get the output. Length of stock data we will keep the length of stock data, and we will keep it like this so that it gives a separation. What you give, let's no, let's not give a space. It will actually give a heavy space in between. That's why I'm saying this, and then close. Let's execute it. So total trading days 2486. Okay, right now let's print one more thing. Let's print the shape. Okay, let's print the shape. And also, you know what is stock data? This is the like df, I mean to say data frame that we have given for this. So let's print the shape. So data size this, and data size equal to stock data dot shape. Okay, this thing and this thing, it will get closed here. Okay, let's execute it. Oh, what happened? Sorry, it should be inside. I'm really sorry, it should be inside, or I think we no, we have already given it here, right? Why we are giving it there again? So data size is 2468 and 50. I hope you understood it. Related to number of days, so data size is 2468 number of days, and you got the output. If you want, you can see this print stock data, and let's see. Okay, that's the thing. This is the ticker price, this is the company name, this is open, high, low, close, volume. Simple as it is, like that. It is like rows in two columns, 2 4 6 8 rows, and columns are 50. Okay, to why 2 4 6 8? Because total number of days are this much. Okay, and here we can see total number of days, and these are the columns. So 2 4 6 8 rows and columns. It is simple as it is, and you have seen how easily we have found the output for this. So let's keep it here properly. Let's keep it like this. Let's keep it like this. What happened? Okay, yes, done and dusted, and this is the thing. So let's jump into the mail part, and let's write a mail that we have retrieved all those data related to the output. Okay, let's go to the mail part, and in this we have told them like, hi team, we have executed the first requirements that has been told to us as per the above mail. Kindly check the mail and kindly check the mail and also ask us if you need any more understanding of the data. ठीक है, that's the thing. Regards. Okay, let me just copy it here. Is it visible, right? Copy it here and paste it. So, hi team, we have executed the first requirement that have been told to us as per our above mail. As per the above mail, kindly check the data and also ask us if you need any more understanding from the data. And let's send this mail to them and let's wait for the next requirement. This is the first requirement and I hope it is interesting, because, and let me tell you one thing, we won't be importing any more libraries from now. This is the first and last time we have imported the libraries and we have done our work. So let's send this mail and let's wait for the next mail with the requirement. So right now we have received a mail related to the first mail. Let's see what requirement do we have. Actually we have lots of requirement to see, lots of technical things to understand, but no need to worry about. I will tell you each and every technical thing with the help of the practical data directly from the internet. So no need to worry about, because the thing is, I know this practical is totally related to finance technical and also Python technical things. Although related to data science part, you are aware of it, but related to data analytics part, you are highly aware of it. Related to data science part, you are kind of, I would say, one third aware of it, because on the first day only we have know what things we have to do, what things we have to take care of, and what things we need to like handle or import the libraries, so that we can take care of the work without any issue, like without any hurdle, like the work should go in a flow, I mean to say that. So anyhow, we are actually aware like what we are going to do in the first video itself or in the first requirement itself. Right now we will be taking care of the second requirement. Let's see what's the requirement all about from the mail. So it's like, okay, hi Shubham, thank you so much for sending over the code. That's a good thing. I have gone through it and want to make sure I understand exactly what you need before I start working. Obviously, that's what I have told you. You should be always prepare with the libraries, always. Almost, see, let me tell one more thing. Same thing I have asked to my colleague, like related to this. Suppose by chance, see, we are human being, okay, by chance we need suppose 12 libraries and 12 functions to get imported. What happens like is, on the starting phase we have imported total 10 libraries, right? And in the mid of the work we got to know ki, oh shit, we need more 2 libraries to be imported, so that this work can be continued without any issue. So is there any way, like is there like, is it will it create a negative impact if we import any 2 additional libraries in the middle of the project? He told no, there is no issue with it, because see, we don't know what comes in the future. At least with the experience we know what things we need on the basics part, right? Suppose I am saying example, to like in schools, let me tell you one thing. In school what happened, when we are in the nursery or we are in the class 1 LKG UKG times, we used to get, like, teacher used to teach us related to English, Hindi, maths means counting, tables and all. Why? Because we know, like, in near future, maybe in class 3, class 4, class 5, class 6, class 7, not maybe, it's real, that we will be taking care of all the maths work, all the counting part, all the multiplication, the tables part, all the division part, addition, subtraction, percentage, all those things will be required in near future. Obviously, when we were kid, like when you were also kid, we were also kid, we used to like, why are we learning this, why are we giving so much time in learning table of 2, table of 3 and all those stuffs, because we are like, we are not seeing any benefit from this, why are we learning? But when we take one step at a time, like class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, like that, one step at a time, at that time we understand, like, this thing are really needful, like really helpful to move forward with the advanced part. So my friend told me that thing, कि with experience you will be able to understand what are the basic things, basic libraries you need to take care of, right? And with the experience, on the starting of the project, only 90 to 95 of the requirements that you actually need in the project, in the full project path, end to end project, or kind of full timeline of the project, you will be highly aware. That's the only use of workx, or I would say experience, not workx, but the experience. The more experience you have, the more understanding of the project you have. That what he told me, and he had given me the same example related to the class 1, class 2, LKG, UKG and all those stuffs. But anyways, let's move to the mail and let's understand it. I think we have done with the first line. So it's like, I just want to say, great job on your code structure. That's a good thing. You imported all the required libraries right at the beginning of your script. That's what I told. This is exactly what professional developers do. It shows your Python on the best practices. I mean, you know Python best practices, yes. You care about code quality. You want the code to be easy for others to read and use. That's a good thing. That's the sign of someone who really knows what they are doing. Just wanted to give you credit for that. Like, we have done the good work and I know we will get the credit. That's what it is. Now, looking at the Python script, here what I see the project needs. So they have given something like the basic needs to taken care of, like Python with pandas libraries. Okay, stock market data for 10 Indian companies that they have given in the mail. Extract and organize 4 type of price information. Okay. Acha, this is what we have. No need to worry about. We will take care of each and everything, like close price, high price, low price, volume, each and everything. We will take care of it. I mean to say, if you are not aware of stock market basics, no need to worry about. We will cover each and everything in this project. So it is like, we are extracting close price, which is end of day price, high price, highest price of the day, low price, lowest price of the day, volume, number of shares traded. Okay. What we are saving, 4 CSV file with organized data. Okay, so these are the CSV file name which we will be giving. No worries for that, name we can give anything, but it should be related to this, so that we don't get confused and also our stakeholders don't get confused with the files and the requirements they need from us. So 4 CSV files, what we are saving, 4 CSV files with organized data, plus print a success message showing the data is correct. Okay, we will do the required. Best regards, DS team. Okay, no worries. Let us write like, hi team, thanks for your kind words in the mail. I am very much happy that we have initiated the project with positive work and अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ठीक है, एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी I will also share the update related to the project and send the files to you. Send the CSV files and the 4 CSV files to you for the to you as per the required format. Oh, sorry. Let's just copy it. And paste this. Okay, let's send this. ठीक है, we have sent it right now. Let's go and see what things do we need. Close price, high price, low price, volume. First, let's understand each and everything, what it is all about. What is closing price, high price, low price, and volume. Let's see this thing in the practical part. ठीक है, so this is the, is it visible? Yeah, this is the this is this. Okay, wait, so let's write Reliance stock price trading view. ठीक है, is it visible? Yeah, it's visible. Actually, I have my screen there, that's why. Now see, oops, sorry. Yeah, that's the thing. Now see, in this, these are candle. ठीक है, when I click on this, what things do we get? We get open, high, low, close, change, and volume. ठीक है, it is like that. Just I am showing you the practical part. If you go in this as well, let's go in this. Actually, this looks good. Easily you can see that. ठीक, same thing here. Open, high, low, close, change, volume. And what things do we actually need? Let me check that out. We need close price. ठीक है, close price is end of day price. ठीक है, let's go here. This is the thing. This is close. See, this candle represent for a day. See, this is for a day. I have selected for a day, a month, a week. So this is, if I tell you, this is for what? 23rd October. ठीक है, ठीक. If I tell you related to this 11th February, we have the same thing. 11th February, what's the closing and all. So what the mail is all about, we have to tell the close price. ठीक है, let's go and see. Close price is 14. Oops, sorry. Close price for 11th Feb is 1468. Let's check in the Python part. Reliance, is it visible? Yeah, let's see if it's matching or not. I hope it's matches. It's not matching, it's not showing. To be honest, it's showing ICICI data. Okay, should we go to ICICI Bank? Let's go for the ICICI Bank. ठीक है, let's go for this. It will be easy for us to understand because I want to show you the practical part. That's why this is the thing. And close is what? 1406, and it is in day, right? If you see, I have selected day, and close is, let me create a big thing, and the close is 1406. Let's check out here. See the close, here. ठीक, this is for ICICI Bank, and what's the closing price? 1406.09976. ठीक है, see the closing price 1406.10, 0.999, same thing. So what we have understand from here, closing price is end of day price. Okay, and what it is all about, let's see that as well. End of day price. Okay, 1406. See, this is where the day end, this is the closing price, this price where I let me, where it is the line, huh? Is it selected? See, the line that I'm showing, the line that I'm showing, what it is representing. If you go and check out here, if you go and check out the line that I'm showing, this is the closing price for the day, and day is 11th. ठीक है, 1406.10. ठीक है, same goes for the opening price. Opening price is 1407.4. ठीक है, now see, opening price is 1407.4, and what is opening price? 1407.4. This is the technical part which you should understand, otherwise it will be of no use for doing the project. At least have the basic concept of stock market, at least, because see, you are doing the project, and if the recruiter asks you related to the basics things of stock market, you should have the idea about it. Okay, 1407.4. 14, see here, check it out, 1407.4. check my mouse pointer. Okay, and here what do we know, what's the opening price? Oh, opening price, it's not there. Okay, no worries, opening price is not there. Okay, so it is like high price, low price, and volume. So but understand it, at least know the basics. Okay, right now let's go to high price, low price, and volume. Okay, what it is all about. Oh, what it is all about, man. Reliance, I see. The thing is, it is not, I have not log into this, that's why, that's the only issue. Otherwise, see, right now we have to see the highest price. High is 1403, and see the point, of this is the high price. High price 1413, this is the highest point. The stock has reached this high, this is the highest point. 1413 highest point checked, and low point 1400.4. let's see what will be the low point. Then this will be the low point. Don't get confused with this two. These two are opening and closing, right? These are the high point and low point. Now see this. If I write it here, opening, ठीक है, this is the opening, ठीक है. Let's add the closing. This is the closing part, ठीक है. This is the opening, this is the closing, this is high point, ठीक है, and let's write this is low point, ठीक है. This is the high point and this is the low point, ठीक. High point 1.13, low point is how much? Is 1400. Let's see. Low point 1400. You understand the basics right now, because see, basic understanding is required. So this is the thing, you have received high point, opening, closing, and low point of a day, of a stock or a ticker. Stock and ticker, they are the same thing, okay. Some, like in technical words it is called ticker, in technical we tell stocks as well, but highly technical words it is called ticker. We will change it to stocks so that you don't get confused. and this is the basics understanding. ठीक है, let's keep it here and let's understand this thing. Closing price end of the day, high price highest price of the day, lower price this, volume number of share traded. ठीक है, right now let's see where is the volume part. You see this volume 8.55 million, and this is what represent volume. This data, this graph you are seeing, this is what it represent volume 8.55 million. Let's see if it is matching. See, is it matching? 8.55 volume. The day is 11th, today's date 11th Feb, and see 8.55 means 85 lakhs. 8.5 million मतलब 85 lakhs. ठीक है, simple. You understood the basics part of trading because it is required. Like I am not teaching you related to trading, it is related to the basics of trading, and I hope most of you know it. But for those who don't know it, this for them, no need to worry about. I am also not that much good at trading, but still at least know the basics, because in finances when I was doing MBA, it was like necessary to read all those things in the finance classes, or otherwise we would like I would fail in that subject, to be honest. But anyways, we have know the basics of it. So this is the volume. If I tell you this, VOLUME, ठीक है. So whatever things I have told you, each and every stock have the same thing with them. Each and every stock have the same thing with them. They have high point, they have low point, opening, closing, and volume. Right now, lots of trading part done, means understanding part. Right now, let's do one thing. Let's start writing the queries step by step. What we have to do? We have to do 4 CSV file. So let's start the file with the close price. And what is close price? Close price means the last price of a stock when the market closes at the end of the day. So let's write the code. Close price, and I am writing this. ठीक, let's execute it. We will create, what we will do, you know, first thing first, we will create a container to hold all the close prices of all the stocks. So where are the stocks? These are the stocks data. ठीक है, stocks data. ठीक, so I will create a container for that. So it's like close price, and then I will write equal to pd dot data frame, pd dot data frame. Then I will keep all the things here, all the stocks name I will write here, no need to worry about. I will write all the stocks name here, so chill. So what we will do, what we have actually started to do, we have created a new container to hold all the close prices, and we call it close price. So can you tell me what things would we write here right now? Things matlab what stocks should be written. Like if you remember, we have total 10 stocks with us, 10 stocks related to like Reliance, TCS and all those stuffs. And right now we won't write reliance.ns on the starting. We will write Reliance, and we will take the closing data from the stock data. Let me make sure you understand this thing step by step. What is closing data and all. Right now I will start writing. Let me start writing from here. Reliance. ठीक है, this is Reliance. For Reliance, I need the data. Where should I take the data from? First thing first, I will take the data from stock table. Let me check it. Stock data. Sorry, I have written stock table. Stock data. So stock data. What I will, where I will go? Where I will go? I will go to reliance.ns. ठीक है, where I will go? I will go to reliance.ns. ठीक है, reliance.ns, and from there what column do we need? If you know one thing, what are these things? These things are column name. ठीक है, these things are column name. For closing data, what column do we need? We need close column, right? Simple, we need close column. So what we will write here, sorry, close. ठीक है, simple as it is. What we have done, what is the meaning of this line? I mean to say, like we are telling Python, go back to the stock data, the table that we have seen. Find reliance.ns, ns matlab national stock exchange or short form. Go to the stock, find reliance, I mean to say find reliance, go to the close price, which is the column for close, put it in our new container. What's the container name? Close price. Simple as it is. So we do the same thing for TCS, HDFC Bank, and I'm just forgetting the name. TCS, HDFC, Infosys, HUL, and all other companies, right? Same pattern. What Python will do, we will tell Python to find out the company, get the close price, and save it. That's the thing. And for that, I won't be doing that much stuffs. I will just copy it. And what I will do, I will just copy it. Okay, and come here, paste it. Oops, sorry. How many data we need? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ठीक है, each and every data we need, and we need comma here. ठीक है, we will do it in a faster way. We need a comma here, simple, right? For this we need to change each and every stock name point by point. It is like tcs.ns. ठीक है, directly go like this, write TCS, khatam. What's next? HDFC Bank. Go here, write HDFC Bank. That's it. Then what it is? INFY, Infosys. INFY. INFY. Don't feel sleepy, please. The thing is, it is a kind of boring work, but this thing we will do once. We will just copy it. I mean, for the high, for the low, for the volume, we will just change this column name. Everything will be same. So starting will be tough, and please don't sleep, please. We were done till Infosys, then Hindustan is too big. That's what I'm saying. Paste it. ठीक है, हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर डन. ICICI बैंक. ICICI बैंक. ठीक है. Then what we will do? Airtel is there. ठीक है. Then SBIN. Then L&T. Then we have ITC. ठीक है. ITC. ठीक. Done and dusted. We have done all the thing. Same pattern. Find the company. Go to the close column. Take the data. Put it in the container. Close price. That's it. So right now what we will do, we will execute it, and then we will write keep print. What we will write? Do we have to write something? No, we will write at the end related to the print part. ठीक है. Print part मतलब there in the mail they have told ना, you have to write the there is no error, all those stuff. We will do it. ठीक है. So let's execute it. Oh my goodness. This what happens when you just I hope. Now what happened? TSC. Wow. Sorry, Tata, just TCS shit. This right now it's okay. So errors will be there, and I'm really sorry about it. So this is the close price. Right now what we have in the mail, we have to take care of the high price. So what is high price? Let me tell you about it again. High price is the highest price of the stock during 1 day trading. You have seen the practical, and I know this will happen. That's why I have already told you this thing. And what is high price? High price is the highest price of the stock during one trading day. That's it. What we will do, we will keep the same thing. We will take each and everything here and keep it here. We will change it to high. Oh, sorry. We will change it to high because of the high price. ठीक है? Each and everything will be same. No difference. No difference मतलब I mean to say we will create one more new container for high price, and we will tell Python to go to the high price, take the data and give us the output. Means same idea as close price, but now we get the high price instead. If you can understand this, this is the highest point of the stock reached today, and you have seen in the practical part. If not, just rewind it, because I have not logged into tradingview.com and ads are coming, so that's why, sorry for that. So now what we will do, I mean what Python will do for each company, Python will go and find the high price it reached, and where it will find the high price in the column, and at the end we will collect all this high price into one container called high price. I have changed it here. Right now we have to change the column name, so we will directly, let me check once, capital H is there. ठीक है? What happened? Oh, high price, let me keep it here. High price, ठीक है? Let me do this properly. Just do it like this, high price, done and dusted. ठीक है? Same, that's why I told in the starting it will take a bit amount of time to write all the company names and all, copy pasting, and you have seen we have found the error in TCS and all, but here we won't get any error. And let's check once, high price, high HIGH, each and everything. Other things we have changed two things, right? This thing we have changed and this thing we have changed. Other things are okay. So let's execute it. So done and done and dusted. Right now what we will go, what we have to find out, I mean to say what we have to find out is low price. I think low price was there. Let me see. Low price was there, lowest price of the day. ठीक है? Where is it? Lowest price of the day. Low price, execute. Please don't feel sleepy. I know those who are not interested in stocks and all, they will feel sleepy. Plus this data science work, I know it is tough, but please, if you stay here till the end, actually it will be the best project ever, let me tell you. And it is very, I have promised, I'm promising to each and everyone, I will keep this thing very simple, because I know most of you, including me, I am also not that much into stock market. So I will keep this thing very simple. It will be lengthy, but please wait till the end. And I'm really sorry because of this, so too much big timeline. I know it is tough for everyone, but I'm really sorry, brother. I'm really sorry. So okay, low price, ठीक है? Same thing we will be doing here. So what is low price? Low price is the lowest price of the stock during 1 day trading, and you have seen that in TradingView, I mean in the practical part. So in this, what Python will do, Python will get the low price and it will directly go to the stock data. From the stock data it will go to the low price column and get the output. Simple as it is. So what things we have seen? Close price is last price at the end of the day. High price is the highest price during the day. Low price is the lowest price during the day. we will do the same thing we have changed here, and let me check once. LOW capital L. Okay. Oops, what happened? What is this happening? Yeah, I don't know why these things are. Don't know why it's not working. अब ठीक है. I don't know why it was not working. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and please check it out, because the thing is, if we miss any of the data, we will keep high and then we will keep the low price, then what will happen, there will be an issue in the graph part, I mean in the visualization part. That's why I'm saying. So low price is there, low price data frame, Reliance NS low price 1, low price low. ठीक है, everything done, and let's execute it. Done and dusted. We have done with the low price as well. Right now we will go with the last part, that is the volume. In volume, let's understand volume. What is volume? Volume means how many shares were brought and sold today on the same day. I mean today is 11th Feb. So more volume means more people are trading on that day. ठीक है, that's the thing. Yeah, wait, let me show you. If you go here and see the volume, what I have told you, although this is coming, but still. So what is I don't know why it is coming. Anyways, what is volume? Number of people trading on that day, and here it was 8.5 million. We can see on 10th Feb there were more people than today, so obviously it will be more than 8.5. Let's check the data. ICICI Bank. Oh my god, where is it? Okay. See, ICICI Bank 11th volume, which is today, is 8.5 million. We have seen earlier it was more than 8. You can see the graph, and if not, you can see the graph is huge. Why the graph is huge? Because most of the people, like more than today, if we compare with 11th, more than today, on 10th they have, I mean there are a lot of people who are trading on 10th with respect to 11th, I mean to say. You can see it, you can easily check that out. Okay, it is how much? I would say 16.4 million, just double of it, 16.4 million. Okay, that's the thing. And after that it is 7.8 million. See, it will be low. See, 7.8 million, it is low, and it is lower than this one on 11th. See, 11th and 9th. Okay, now you can understand it. I know you can understand it properly, because I have given a good effort. That's why. Right now, what is happening? Man, I don't know why so much lagging is there. That's the issue. So what is volume? Volume means how many shares were brought and sold today. More volume means more people are trading. What we will do, we will create a container same, and we will create volume here. Let's copy this, or let's do one thing. Let's write it first. Volume. चलो ठीक है, we will copy it, we will paste it, we will write. So for here it is volume. ठीक है, in this what will happen? See, a Python, I am saying SQL always. Python will go to the stock data, and it will go to the volume column of each and every stock related to whatever stock's name we have given, and it will give us the volume in the container. So in this container we will see how market was busy on the day, right? Related, obviously, more number of people, more involvement of people, more involvement of money, market will be busy. That's the thing. So let's check it out, what volume is, capital V. Because if we write small, I mean lowercase v, it will create an issue. That's what I'm saying. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 volume. ठीक है, done and dusted. Execute it. Thank God it executed. So these things you understood. How do we create a container, and we have created the only required data: high price for high, low for low. Right now what we will do, as per the mail, if you go and check out the mail, they have told you have to make 4 CSV file with organized data. This is the data which is like which we have to shift to the CSV file. Let's go here. Okay. So in this what things is there? 4 containers. So now we have 4 container, 4 different types of information, and we will save this information into CSV file. So what is the code for that? Let's write it out. I will write code in a single cell. Close price. Let's start with close price. So close price to CSV. No need to worry, I will tell each and everything. Then let's write 01 number 1 file close price, and in this dot CSV close price dot let's keep prices. Is it okay? Let's keep prices. Better होगा. Like let's keep prices. I mean this, not this. I have done a mistake, but anyway, mistake matlab in this, in place of prices I am writing price. That's why. So what I have done, I have given the numbering, because in case if we like create a error in near future, that's why we have created the numbering part. So what we have done, we have written 01 close price dot CSV. So what this thing will do, let me tell you each and everything from this. So this line takes the close price container data, simple, and that's it for the close price. Then we move to 2CSV. 2CSV means Python will change this, I mean take this data and keep this data in a CSV file. So 2CSV is like it will keep the data in a CSV file, because as per the instruction they have told to keep in CSV. And you know CSV is for Excel, and Excel also we can do it like Excel X also is there. 2CSV, 2Excel is there. So as per requirement we have to do 2CSV. And also we have given the name close price CSV file name, done and dusted. So that's the thing. Same thing will be done 4 times. ठीक है. Here we have high price and low price. ठीक है. Let's write high price. ठीक है. High price here, low price. I will change each and everything, no worries for that. Let's check each and everything is okay or not. Volume, everything is okay. Numbering we have to change 2 3 4. Oops, sorry. So let me do a cross check. Close price to CSV, high price to CSV, low price to CSV, volume CSV. Okay, done and dusted. Now what should we do? ठीक है. They have told, अच्छा, let me show you one thing what they have told. They have told to print a success message showing the data is correct. Let's do that as well. Let's, because see it's a requirement and we cannot what we say, we cannot say no to it. So what should we write? What should we write? Should we write price data extracted? Let's write it. Print and should we add something or should we keep it like that? price data extracted is okay. I mean to say where it is. Let's give this better. Okay, let's execute it. Okay, so everything is done and dusted. Why I have written this success note? Let me write it here. Success note. Okay, price data extracted, done and dusted. Okay, and let's not, oops, shit. We have done the error here. We have written C volume, that's why. But anyways, let's see in the home, do we have something? Let's reload it. See, we have all those data. No worry, we will delete everything. We'll delete everything and we will create it again. No worries for that. I'm deleting it right now, reloading it, going to this, see volume, low price. What happened? Connection fixed. ठीक है. CSV low volume, low prices, high price, close, volume, success, price data extracted. ठीक है, executed. What happened right now? Oh, I have to execute each and everything again. No worries for that. Right now it's done. ठीक है, and when you refresh it, you see each and everything is there. Let's see what is there. See, you have each and everything related to this Reliance, TCS, each and everything. So this is the close price and this is how you see in the output. ठीक है, in the output in CSV file you will see like this. ठीक, from 15th, I mean why 15th, because today is 11th. So starting date from 11th till the last 10 years, it is like that. ठीक है, so this is how you will get close price for everything. For Reliance you will get like this, TCS, SDFC, Infosys, each and everything you will get. And this is the container, close price container. ठीक है, I will show you each and everything. This is high price container. See, high price container for each and everything. Low price container, each and everything. Volume, each and everything is there. And I think, yeah, that's done and dusted. That's it. There's what we have to do in today's requirement. Let's save it. I will send you each and everything, the file, the codes in the Google Drive link, so no need to worry about. Okay, so right now what things have we done? We have done each and everything. And do we need to do anything else? No, there is nothing, I think so. That's it. That's the thing. Do we should we add something? Should we join all the columns? For that, let's print something new. Let's add something else. Let's keep something additional. Okay. Should we write like this? Stocks. What I'm believing is like when you give something extra to the client, they will be actually happy. That's why I'm thinking. I just have a thing in my mind. Let's join all the columns with a comma and give them related to the data. Let's do something additional, I mean to say. I will write, what I will do, I will print each and every columns. Let's see if it is okay, we will keep it. If not, we will not. Okay, if not, we won't be doing anything. Join, what I will join, let's check out with one. Close prices, close price dot columns, and what should we do? Let's see if what happened. I hope each and everything is okay right now. Sorry. This is missing. That's why. Huh. So these are the stocks that are done for this. Stocks are already. Should we let us give this. I mean to say confirmation. ठीक है. Confirmation of columns. Confirmation for all the columns in the CSV file. ठीक है. For the confirmation. Why I am saying this? I mean to say, rather than opening the file, if we print it, we will get all the columns for all the data. That's why I'm saying high price and low price. ठीक है. High, and here we will low, and here we will have volume. ठीक है. For just for the confirmation. ठीक है. All the things are there. ठीक. All the things are there, I hope. Yeah. For each and everything is present. ठीक है. चलो. Just to confirm, why I am saying this, like if you understand, without opening the file, suppose there is an error in the file, what will happen? This columns won't show here in the output. From here only we can know that there is a error. So just for confirmation, without opening all the CSV files, just for confirmation, like we have created this, what we say, we have created all the data, all the containers, we have extracted all the data into our containers, and we have kept it in a proper column. That's what it is I have done. ठीक है. So that is an additional one step ahead thing. Let's see if we get any appreciation and anything hike in this, but anyways, that's all about it. And also, do we need to add anything extra? No. चलो कोई बात नहीं, no worries for that. Let's jump into the mail. Okay, let's just save it. Is it saved? Yeah, saved. Let's just jump into the mail and write a mail to them related to this. Let me just copy it, paste it. Team. We have completed our work for today's requirement, and also created all the CSV files where each and every data for the required containers are extracted from the main API. ठीक है. Please find the attached CSV file for the same. ठीक है. We will attach all the files. Okay, where's the mail? This is the thing, and this is where it is all about. Should we go to can we go from here? Copy path. What we will do with the path? Anyways, let's see. Can we let's see 01 close price. ठीक है. So I will add the close price here. If you can go and see, I have added the close price here as well. ठीक है. Right now I will add all the files in this, and then we will send the mail. Let's add all the files. Right, if I show you this thing, you can see all the files I have attached here and see the files data. It's huge. But anyways, let's read the mail. We have completed our work for today's requirement and also created all the CSV files where each and every data for the required containers are extracted from the main API. Find the attached CSV files for the same. Okay, let's send this file to our client and let's see what requirement mail we get from them. I hope each and everything is okay. Set it. So let's see, each and everything is okay and good to go. Let's open. I don't think it will get any error here, but anyways, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ठीक है. So that's the completion of requirement second, and let's see how many more requirements we will get in this project, and I will make sure you learn each and everything step by step. Although this video will be huge, but it will be fun if you understand each and everything. So let's wait for the next mail and also the next requirement. So this is the previous mail that we have sent related to all the files and all. Okay, now let us move to the next mail. Okay, this is the next mail. They have told, hi Shubham, thank you for the excellent work on the above requirement. Okay, the files that we have sent them, they liked it. Before we finalize the steps, okay, so they need to find out some data from the above related file, which is, I'm guessing for that. So they are asking like, I need to provide the detailed requirement. I need you to provide the detailed requirement and specification for 4 technical indicators we are implementing. Okay, technical indicators. What is actually technical indicators? Let me first give a short theoretical part, then we will move to the mail. Technical indicators are those mathematical calculation which give you the signal or the trend or the pattern of a stock, of a particular stock or a particular indexes. What is indexes? Like this Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, like that. They are the indexes. I think so, they are the indexes if I'm not wrong. But anyways, these are what technical indicators do. They are actually a mathematical calculation. What they do, they calculate the past data and give you the trend, the signal. Signal means what? Buy signal, sell signal, like that. They give you the signal related to it, and then they give you the output for the present, like what can be the future signal, like future trend, like it can be up, it can be down, it can be sideways, like this kind of thing. So this is what technical indicators means. Those who are new to stock market, I am saying this just for information, not for investing and not for doing this. Okay, so as they have told, like 4 technical indicators. Let's see what technical indicators they have asked, and we will find out the data of each and every stock with the help of Python libraries and functions inside them. It will be easy. I will make you understand line by line, so no worries for that. If you are new to stock market, no worries for it. I will make sure you understand each and everything point to point. So first thing is daily returns. चलो ठीक है. Daily returns में they need formula, input data, all those things they need. ठीक है. Then moving average. Moving average, MA is the short form. Moving average 20 and 50. 20 and 50 are days. What days? I will tell you with the help of the practical part. Each and every indicators I will tell you with the help of the practical part, like we have learned about this thing on the first class of this project. Calculation method for both MA, this 2050 window size specification XYZ. Chalo. Volatility 30. Okay. Standard deviation is required. 30 days Windows function. Okay. So let me tell you one thing. In this project, you will also learn about the, like I've told you, na, data science is what? It is all about maths, AI, ML, then related to SQL and related to Python. Although we are not using SQL here, we will be taking care of Python because we are taking data directly from the live market, which is directly related to the APIs. APIs is what? Taking data directly from the market. That's it. Market matlab internet. Market, why I'm saying stock market. That's the thing. Windows size specification, handling initial values, NAN. Okay. Output format and performance. Okay. Accuracy requirement. For accuracy requirement, we have already took the library, imported the libraries from our Python, for our Python environment. Volatility 30, standard deviation calculation correct 30 days, ठीक है. Okay, RSI is the like if anyone of you who is watching this video who are into intraday stock market trading, like intraday stock market, like on the same day you will buy the stock, same day you will sell the stock, or vice versa, same day you do the short selling, means selling a stock then buying a stock, that is intraday. Okay, two kind of things, intraday and delivery is like for a long term, intraday is for a short term, for the trading period of time, matlab from 9:30 or 9:15, I'm just getting confused, till 3:30 or 3:15 the stock market is open, so till that. So RSI is mostly use indicator for intraday stock trader. If you are a trader, or if you have done trading anytime in your life and you have used RSI, please write on the comment section. So complete 7-step RSI calc. Okay, no worries. 14 days Windows specification. Okay, 14 days ka. Smoothing method, RSI range 0 to 100 they have told. Handling division of 0 edge cases. Chalo, ठीक है. I will make you understand each and everything step by step, no worries. And where it is, please provide mathematical formula for each indicator, pseudocode or algorithm description, input output specification, threshold values, all this will ensure. Chalo, ठीक है. They have asked this 4 requirement, and let's write a mail to them. Let's write a mail. How can I do it? Let's reply to this only. Let's reply it. Hi team, related to indicator mail, we will provide you the we will provide you the related to the indicator mail, we will provide you the requirements and also the codes with the CSV files, for the same, ठीक है, for the same by EOD, end of day, ठीक है, end of day. So it's like regards DA, ठीक. Related to the indicator mail, we will provide you the requirement and also the code with CSV file for the same by EOD. Let's send them the mail and let's move to the part where we will be taking care of all the requirements. So first thing first, we have learned about indicators. Indicators are basically like mathematical calculation on the stock prices that help us to get the pattern, trend signals, buying selling signals and all, or vice versa. So first thing first, we have been asked to find out the daily returns, ठीक है. what is daily returns? First thing first, daily returns is all about the difference between the previous day and today's related values. Like let me tell you this thing. This is for the ICICI bank, no worries. Let's go for this. Wait, trading view. Okay, let's go with this. ICICI bank. So if I ask you related to a daily returns, ठीक है, today is 13th, ठीक है, yesterday what was the stock price, today मतलब today stock price 1414, ठीक है, yesterday stock price was 1416, ठीक है, this is the closing day that I have told you, the market closes on this. So 1416, 1414 and 1416, what can you say? Like on 12th it was 1416, today it is 1414. So if I go to the calculator part, where is it? If I go to the calculator part and ask you related to the this 1414 minus 1406, so there is 8 rupees increment, ठीक है, 8 rupees change is there from here to here, ठीक है, 8 rupees change is there, ठीक है, simple. Or can I just, let me see, 8 rupees, no it is not showing here, ठीक है, let me, can I get a this, not this, not this, not even pen, I don't know what to where to write it. Like I will write here 1414 minus 1406 is how much? 8. There is a 8 rupees difference here, ठीक है, simple. Let me keep it here. There is a like 8 rupees difference. 1414 is what? Closing for 13th of Feb, which is today's date. 1406 is what? Closing for 12th, previous day, yesterday. So what's the difference? If I tell you the daily returns, what's the difference? Return is 8 rupees. For today's, the return is what? 8 rupees. ठीक है? Simple. I mean to say, the yesterday closing price, not opening. Closing price is what? The end of the candle. ठीक है? If you can check out here, closing price. This is the closing price. See, the market has also stopped here. ठीक है? That is the closing price, and closing is what? On the end of this. And if I click here, the end of this is 1406. So 8 rupees is the output. In this, what can you get? Ki like, this is the daily return. If someone has invested yesterday, today they would get a 8 rupees profit. That's what it is all about, daily return. So for this daily return, what formula can you put? Simple. Like what formula can you put for the daily return? Simple as it is. If I ask you, you will simply say कि yesterday's price minus today's price. Simple. ठीक है, yesterday price minus today's price. ठीक है. So how will you write it? Obviously, we have the data in front of us, and how will you write it? So for that, we will take the help of percentage change for close price. What it does, you know, what's the use of it? What does percentage change do? Percentage change calculates like how much the price changes from yesterday to today in percentage. Okay, let's write it here. Let me show you the theory here. Daily returns. Okay, is it visible? Yeah. The thing is, first thing we will take the percentage change. For percentage change, what we will do? We will, let's give something daily returns karke, let's give that daily returns equal to, let me write, what should I write? Close price close price, this one, why I mean to say close price dot pct, where is it, underscore change. Pct change is what? Percentage change. In Python, if you write pct change, it is all about, let me just keep it up, pct change is all about percentage change. ठीक है, what it does, it's like yesterday price 14, 14, how much was the yesterday price, like 1406, today is 1414, divided by 100 into 100, it does like that. So how much change it is there, it will show. ठीक है, simple what it is all about. So right now if we see, we have got the daily returns ka thing, but in the mail, if you go and check in the mail, where is it all about, where is the mail, they have asked mail related to the data type and ranges. ठीक है, ranges means what, they need range related to weekly ranges and monthly ranges. This is what they mean, because stock market works on a weekly basis. How in weekly basis? Like Monday to Friday. And also when you check a data of any stock, you compare with monthly basis. Like example I'm saying, let's go to the this part, let me show you here, let me show you this, where it is. See here also you can say end of the day, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minutes, hour basis, week and month. Every time each and everything related to stocks, they say about week and month. If you go and check out here as well, uh, why it is like that, I don't know why it is like that, but here if you go and see, you will get to see about week and month indicators, or I would say week and month changes for a stock. That's why, as they have told us to find out the ranges, we need to find out the weekly ranges. Also, we need to find out the monthly ranges. ठीक है, that's the thing. So where is it all about, let me just write it, weekly changes. For weekly changes, what we have to do, okay, let me tell you one thing. How many days just does the stock market works in a week? It is like 5 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday the markets are closed. That's why we will write like this, close price dot percentage change, and we will give period as 5. It's like wait, close price dot pct change, and then we will write period equal to 5. ठीक है, we will give like this, we will give period equal to 5. I think it's periods, not period. Same thing we will do for monthly changes. Monthly changes, and here we have created a spelling mistake, I don't know why. It's like the same thing will be there, and they will ask for the changes of this 20 days. Why? Because 1 month is having 4 weeks. 4 weeks means 2 Saturdays each week. So total how many days? 30 days. 30 minus, so 30 days is there. ठीक है, in that one, in a month there are 4 weeks, total 30 days. In 4 weeks there are 1 Sunday, 1 Saturday, 1 Sunday per week. So 2 Saturday Sundays I mean total 2 non-trading days in a week. 4 weeks, 8 days. ठीक है, 30 days is there. So it is like कितना होगा, 30 minus 8, 22 days. If you want, you can sorry, it's 22 days. I thought 20 days, that's why 22 days it's there. But let me tell you one thing, we are working on the month of February. 28 days, right? Saturday Sunday 2, weeks 4, So it will be like 28 minus 8 is how much? 20 days. That's why. Earlier I have written 20, but to explain you, it is the thing. Otherwise, if you are doing this in month of March, make it 22. That's what I am trying to say. So this is for the percentage return. Okay? In percentage return, what things we have written? We have written the close price, where our data frame of closing price for all the stocks we have written on the front. I mean here, if you check it out, close price. Then we have done dot pct underscore change with open and close parenthesis, which means our pandas function that calculates percentage changes, and it is a pandas function, let me tell you. Then daily returns, it is just the what we say variable we have told python to store data. Daily returns, weekly changes, monthly changes. Okay, that is the thing. Pct change periods this, and let's execute. Done and dusted. So here what we have done, we have found out the daily returns for each and every stock. Okay, right now let's see, let's print. Can we get the thing? Let us check, although it is correct, but still. Okay, these are the daily returns for Reliance, TCS, HDFC, Infosys, ICICI Bank. Okay, these are the things. So that's, it is all about it. Let's check for this now. ICICI Bank, it is showing 13 Feb is this. The numbers they are showing, and also they are showing for weekly changes as well. Okay, no worries. This is for daily returns. Right now let's go to the mail and see what they have asked for, an additional thing, that is moving average. Okay, so first thing first, what is moving average? That's the main thing, and let's move to the this practical part. Is it visible? No. Yeah, is it visible? Yes. Moving average, this is moving average. If you can check this out, these are the moving average. Okay, like I've told you, moving average 20 and 50. This is for 20 and this is for 50. Okay, moving average, right? 20 days moving average, 50 days moving average. This is the thing. Like here we have technical analysis, SMA, EMA. These are the moving averages. Okay, moving averages. ठीक, and this is where we have the data, right? 20 days and 50 days. So if we want to know the theoretical part about the moving average, what it is all about, it is like the view of a price instead of a daily jump, view of a price for some particular days. In the mail what they have told, 20 days. In 20 days pattern, what was the average of a stock price in 20 days pattern? In 50 days pattern, what was the average of the stock price? Here we have each and everything, 50 days, 100, 150, 200 days, each and everything. So that is all about. In that example I am saying, related to, suppose a price is having 100 rupees, 102, 101, 103, 105, like that. So example I am saying, if you take moving average of 5, which is a week, you can see this moving average of 5, which is for the week. What it is all about, it is like average of total 5 days, which is like 100 plus 100 to what I have told, 100, 102, 101, 103, 105 divided by 5. Okay, that is the thing. It is all about the average of 5 days, like Monday to Friday, whatever the price the stock has hit, it is the average of that. Okay, 5 days average is 1409. Should we go and check this out? And these things are coming. Leave page. Let me see. ICICI Bank. Today is Friday, right? Today we can check the average. Let's check that out. Let's, what happened here? Okay, this is the thing, and let's see the moving average for 5 days. 13, right? And Thursday, today Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. So this is Monday. Okay. Let's take out the calculator. You also take out calculator and let's calculate. Okay. Monday is here. Monday price is 1396. Okay. You can check it out. 1396. 1396. Okay. Plus Monday is there. Tuesday the price is 1400. 1400 plus Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday the price is 1406. 1406 plus Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is 1406. Thursday is also means yesterday 1406 प्लस 1414. ठीक है, 414 इक्वल टू जितना डिवाइडेड बाय 5 is 1404. Let's see, is it, oh it is coming 1409. Okay, no worry, is it 5 days 1404 it was there, but it's coming 1409. Okay, I don't know why it is like that, but anyways you can understand it. It is like 5 days ka average. Our it is like 1404, it is 1405. I don't know why it is like that, but still let's see. I hope you can understand this thing. It is all about average of, let me see, these are the 5 days. Yeah, 5 days का indicator. Let's check for 1 week का indicator. ठीक है, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So for 9th it is like this, but in this we cannot get the prices. Like what prices do we have, to be honest? Can we get the opening and closing price kya? No, from there also we cannot do it. ठीक है. So I hope you understood it. It is all about moving average, and moving average is all about the days. How many days the average is moving. I mean to say, like, not average is moving. It is like total 5 days. MA5 is 5 days moving average. MA20 is 20 days moving average. Although our calculation gave us like 14, how much? 1404, and it was like 1409, but still it's, you can understand that's the average thing, and I don't know why it is coming like that, but that's the average thing, to be honest. Where is it? Yeah. So right now let's find out the moving average for 20 days. And what was the thing? Let me check once. 20 days and 50 days. ठीक है. So for 20 days and 50 days, if I ask you a technical question like how will you find the average, you will say in SQL. Suppose in SQL you will say for the Windows function, in SQL you will take Windows function and you will say कि sum of current row, then 5 following and a current row average you will get. ठीक है, 5 following and a current row average you will get. Same thing we will do here in Python, but here there is no Windows function. We will have rolling window. ठीक है, it is kind of Windows function, but we will have rolling मतलब it will means, example I am saying, if you say rolling 5, what Python will do, it will take 5 days all the data, rolling 5 days data, it will do sum, it will do average, whatever thing you say. Like for average it is like dot mean. In SQL what we used to do, average, then the stock price over partition by stocks, order by partition by stocks, rows, 5 following, current row, 5 following, 5 following and a current row. What will SQL do? 5 rolling, days with the current row, they will get the average. Same thing, because we have done partition by stocks. For each stocks, it will go 5 days up with the current row and give you the average. Same thing we will get out here. We will say to give rolling for 20 days and find the average. For average, it is mean. But how does it work? It is like this. Let me give out the first, let me write it. Moving average 20 and moving average 50. Okay. So what we should write, first thing first, we should write like MA20. So we will write MA20. In this, what I have told, we have to write the rolling price for 20 days. So it's ROLLING rolling. Then we will write windows equal to 20. Okay. After that, we will write mean. Here, how we will tell Python ki we need the closing data, we need the closing price, not the opening price. Simple. Close price dot close price rolling windows 20 mean is what? Average. Same thing we will do for 50 as well. 50 this. So what it does, basically what it does, it is like they will find the average of 20 days rolling. Simple means 20 days rolling window, like Windows function. And mean, what it does, it calculate the average of value in a window. So for each day, Windows slide forward 1 day and automatic process. So no manual things are required. And when you execute it, Windows, what happened to Windows? That's the issue. It's not Windows, it's window. Right now it's working. Okay. So what we have told SQL, Python to find close price, go to close price, take rolling window for 20 days, find the mean. Go to close price, take rolling 50 days data, 50 rows ka data, find the mean. That's it. So here what we have found out the moving average of 50 days and 20 days. Let me check once. Is it okay? 50 days and 20 days. ठीक है? Output both indicator. चलो, window size specification is this. Now we have to find out the volatility. It is all about 30 days window. So what we have to do, let me just go here. 30 days window, we have to take care about the volatility. What does volatility means? Like how much price bounce has been taken by a stock. Price bounce taken by a stock. If I go and check this out in this related to volatility, volatile, it is showing just one match. Beta 1 year low volatile. Okay. Do we have anything else here? Leave page. Volatility for ICCI. Let's check. Is it okay? Volatility for ICICI Bank on daily, weekly and monthly basis. So here if you see one thing, what you are seeing, a mathematical function you are checking here, that is standard deviation. And in the mail as well, they have told to find the standard deviation calculation method. Simple. See, long term beta is what? Volatility. Okay? Don't get confused here. Beta is same volatility. Okay? Updated daily on Nifty 50. Okay? So this is the volatility, long term beta and all. Okay? And for that we need to let me see, is there anything else? No, that's it. Daily, 1 month, 3 month range, weekly, 1 week. Okay, चलो ठीक है. So what does volatility means? Let me tell you one thing. Let me check beta here. Oh shit. We'll get out. चलो ठीक है. We have found out. So ICICI Bank day beta is what? Volatility. Same thing we have seen there. Like here, beta/volatility. It is all about the price bounce that has been done by a stock. ठीक है. And for that we need the standard deviation. Like it will show us if the volatility is high, that means it is risky. If the volatility is low, that means we would say there are very small swings. High means there are big swings. ठीक है. So how does it will work? And we need 30 days का volatility. For volatility, if you see updated daily, ठीक है. Here check one thing. Volatility, they take care of each and every day. How I can say each and every day? First thing related to this, calculated daily. Check out here, calculated daily, and they have asked for 1 month range. So for here, what data should we take care of? We should take care of the daily returns data. Okay, let's move to this thing and let's find out the daily returns data, 30 days का rolling and standard deviation. Simple as it is. ठीक है. Volatility, ठीक है, 30 days. For what happened? For volatility 30 days, let's take this here and let's write it. What should we write? Volatility 30. Volatility, is it correct? Volatility, oh not 20, it's 30 days. ठीक है. So it's not close price, it's daily return. Is it? Let me check once. Stock data is there. Open, close, all those things. Let me check once. Daily returns is there. Let me see. Daily returns is there. We have find out. That's what I'm saying. Where are the daily returns? So these are the daily returns. What is daily return means? And you know why we have find out this. And this is in the percentage change. Okay. So daily returns, what we have done, we have found out the data already in the previous requirement. Same daily return data we will take to find out the volatility. So it is like daily returns rolling windows 30, and here what we need, standard deviation, and let's execute it. Oh, it has been done properly. So what things we have used here, we have seen 30 days का rolling window. ठीक है. And we have used a requirement on, the previous requirement related to daily returns. We have used the same logic related to 30 days. 30 days means rolling 30 days. Daily return का column, rolling window 30 days, and earlier we have found out the mean. But in volatility, even though in mail they have told standard deviation, in the website what we have found out that we need to find out standard deviation just to cross check. So we have found out standard deviation, and we have seen that std is the function, pandas function for standard deviation, and here we have found out the volatility. So we have done with the volatility. Now let's go and check what we have for the next requirement. Okay, so next requirement is all about RSI. So RSI is all about relative strength index. Okay, no worries. And it is like 7 days, 14 days window, range 0 to 100. Okay, let's go and check what it is all about. If I go here and see related to the RSI, it is showing RSI is in mid range. Okay, simple. RSI is 65.4 for 14 days. It is written 14 is what for 14 days. So RSI is 61.4. RSI below 30 is considered oversold. RSI above 70 is considered overbought. 61.4. That is RSI is in mid range. Okay. RSI have three kind of things. I mean three kind of what we say uh, detail to show to the user. First detail is like we can see here below 30, then we have above 70 and in the between. And if I understand, let me tell you, above 70 is oversold, overbought, which you can see here. Above 70 is overbought, below 30 is oversold, and between 30 to 70 is normal range. Is it between 30 to 70? Yes. It is in mid range and it is in normal range. Okay? And RSI shows us three requirements: below 30, above 70, and 30 to 70. And what is the use of it? You have known, like on the scale to 0 to 100, they have told on scale to 0 to 100, it is all about above 70 is overbought, above 30 is oversold, and 30 to 70 is normal range. Okay, let's see what it looks like in trading view. Okay, that is trading view. Where it is all about ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank trading view. So what it is all about, let's see what is RSI and what it is all about. And I will show you 70, 30 and the mid. No worries for that. Full chart. Is it visible? Yeah. Right now for indicators, I will go and tell RSI, relative strength index. If you go and check in the mail, same relative strength index. Okay. Let me go and check out. Yeah. Oops, why it is showing PSI, RSI. Yeah. Is it visible? Okay, remove this. What happened? Why it is not showing? RSI. Okay. Let's see. Why it is not showing? Is there any other indicator till date? No, but why? Let us just refresh and let us add indicators. I think we have this thing here, remove. Okay, we have actually the volume indicator, that's why I'm saying. So RSI, still it is not showing. What happened? Is there any other indicator here? No. Let's leave page. Let's write okay. Let's go and check. Will we get the indicator or just we will see the we will check disappointment or not? Let's see. I don't think so we will get this. Okay, There's a video running. My goodness. Let's see on this. Go to overview. Use chart. Oh. No, nothing here. But anyways, wait, let me show you one thing. How does RSI looks in chart? Okay, just see here what the thing is all about, what it is all about. Let's check out here. Okay, this is the thing. When RSI is less than 30, it is oversold, like I've told you. When it is greater than 70, overbought. When the data, see, it goes on with the stock price. However, the see how the stock has went, see the flow of the stock price. Same thing happens with here as well in the RSI. If it is like that oversold, it is like overbought. And when something, the price is between 30 and 70, like this part, it is all about the normal scenario. Okay, this is the thing. This is how RSI actually looks in the trading platform. Okay, that's the thing. Now RSI 14 days is 61.4, which is inside 30 to 70. If we check out here, 61.4, 61.4 is all about the mid range. So if I ask you one thing, what it is all about, RSI, what it is all about, like I mean to say, what data, if I give you, you can find the RSI. Simple, we need to find out the closing price of last 14 days. Okay, we need to find the closing price of last 14 days, and we need to find the difference. Means, suppose today is Friday, so Friday minus Thursday, the difference. Thursday minus this Wednesday, that's the difference. Okay, so it is like difference between the closing price. Okay, so let's find out that first. Let's write it here and let's see. Let me show you one thing. Calculation. So RSI calculation is what? If you check out here, it's average gain by average loss. Okay, typically based on 14 period. Okay, average gain by average loss. Take how much it has gained and how much it has lost. So if I ask you to find the gain and loss of anything, what you will do? You will compare with the previous data, obviously. Okay, suppose the data is like this: 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, Feb, and these are the data. Okay, if I ask you what is the scenario of day 10, what you will say? 200 minus 100. There is a gain of 100. Okay, plus. If I ask you what is the status of 11, you will say 100 minus 200. There is a negative of 100. There is a decrease in price of 100. If I ask you what is the status of 12th, you will say 300 minus 100, that is 200 plus. Same thing for this, 200 minus 300, it is all about minus 100, negative. So tell me one thing, we have all those scenario here. It is like plus 100, and let's see then what we have, minus 100. Let me show you the background here, minus 100. Then we have plus 200, then we have minus 100. And what is the calculation of it? Average gain by average loss. Okay, if I ask you to find the average of gain, what you will do? Okay, you will simply say 100 plus 200 divided by 2 is the average gain. If I say you the same thing, okay, find the average for loss, what you will do? You will say minus 100 with minus 100 divided by 2. That is the average gain and average loss. Whatever data you will get, you will do the division part and you will find the RSI. So right now you know why I am telling you to find the difference of days. Difference of days. You got it. Okay? This is the first step. Take. So let's find out. It is called delta, to be honest. Delta is like for delta it is like whatever close price we have, close price dot def is what? It's like difference of the close price. Okay? This is delta. Right now we have to find out data for the growth and for the loss. Okay? Now let's move to the white screen. This is our step 2, to be honest. Step 1 done. Now let's move to step 2. Okay? We have this data. What thing we have? We have plus 100, we have minus 100, we have plus 200, we have minus 100. So if I tell you one thing, this is the data and find out the gain and the loss, what you will say? For gain we need 100, we need 100. For this we need 0 because we don't need the loss. For this we need 200 and for this we need 0. Same goes for loss. What you will say? For loss, do we need the positive number? No, 0. Do we need the negative? Yes, because you are talking about loss. Do we need the positive number? No. Do we need the negative? Yes. Okay? So we need gain and loss. Why do we need gain and loss? Now that's the question. Because we need to find the average. Okay? Average of gain, average of loss. This is the only reason why we need to find out the average of gain and average of loss in the RSI part. Simple. So let's find out the gain. And in this gain, what we will do? We will take care of the positive part, and wherever there is negative, we will keep it 0. So for that, what do we need? We need clip. Okay? We need clip. What clip does? Clip needs an additional requirement. Okay? Clip, what it does, whatever thing is less than 0, we need lower. So clip, understand this thing. Whatever thing is less than 0, you say clip lower equal to 0. What it is all about? What this will do? It will go to the data. Python will go to the data. Okay? And in that data, it will see if something is less than 0, it will convert to 0. Python will do it. Then Python will ask you, okay, I will do something which is less than 0 as 0 and something which is higher than 0 as 0 for different thing. For gain, we need positive, so negative should be 0. But from which data? You will say this data, delta. Why delta? Because this is the difference of the day, and this is what we have told in delta. Okay? Delta dot difference. I hope you got it. Delta dot difference. So in that we have told clip equal to 0. Same thing we will do for loss. Loss rakho ki lower? Okay, let's write loss. Loss, it will be delta dot clip. We will write upper equal to 0. You will be seeing in loss upper equal to 0. In this, in loss, what do we need? The number which is less than 0 is needed. The number which is higher than 0 should be ignored. So how can we ignore it? Just keep it 0. That's it. Simple. ठीक है. So I hope you understood this thing related to the second step. ठीक है. We are moving to this step right now. ठीक है. This is the third step. In third step, what we need to find out? We need to find out the average. ठीक है. Simple. Upper lower we done. We need to find out the average. ठीक है. For the average, what do we need? Let's check the mail. Do we get something from here? In that mail, what they have told, 14 days window specification. ठीक है. Let's move to the whiteboard. ठीक. In 14 days window for specification. So you need to find out the average of 14 days difference. ठीक है. Simple as it is. I mean to say it's like that. 14 days का delta, wherever there is loss, like that. It's like that. For gain, 14 days delta for loss. It should be like that. ठीक है. 14 numbers should be there. So this is what it is all about. We will say for gain and for loss, for two things we need to find out. ठीक है. We will say simple. For rolling windows 14, find the mean. Mean is what? Average. 14 days what? Rolling window 14. Simple. Where we should take the data? We should need to take two data. First is average gain. Now you understand why we have took out gain. ठीक है. Average gain, we will write gain dot we have to write this thing gain. After that I forgot one. Rolling will be there. Window window equal to 14 mean. ठीक है. Simple. Same thing goes for loss. Loss equal to loss dot rolling window equal to 14 dot mean. Simple as it is. ठीक है. Average gain, average loss we have found. Right now, what next we need to find out? We need to find out the I think difference. I think we need to find out the difference between the average gain and loss. What you will say? RSI or RS. Should we give RS or RSI? What should we do? Let's give RS. ठीक है. Why I am saying this? I will tell you after this. So RS equal to average gain divided by average loss. ठीक है. Simple. That is the formula. Simple formula. Average. See, it is RS. Why RS? I will say you this. And RSI formula is this, and this is RS. ठीक है. I will tell you each and everything. You can understand here. This is the relative strength. ठीक है. That's why I've written RS here. If we find out the RS, then we can find out the RSI. ठीक. It is there in the internet. You can check it out. Right now, let's find out the RSI. And what's the formula of RSI? I won't be doing anything. I will just take this data. 100 minus 100, let's see, divided by 1 plus RS. Divided by 1 plus RS. ठीक है. Is it done till here or should we add something? Wait. ठीक. This is the RSI. Right now let's understand what it is all about. Why we have done this, that and all. Suppose the RS average, suppose the rs, yeah. Hmm, what we say, rs formula is there, okay. When you find out the average, what will be the data? The data will be either greater than 1, or either less than 1, or either 1. So something, that data which is greater than 1 will be bullish, data which is less than 1 will be bearish, data equal to 1 will be neutral. Let's check it out here. It's not shown, but that is the calculation actually. And also this is the thing. So when you find out the average gain by loss, it will come either greater than 1, less than 1, or equal to 0. Okay. So which is greater than 1 is like bullish, less than 1 is what we say, bearish, equal to uh, greater than 1, equal to 1, and equal to 1 is neutralized. But what I have told you, like RSI is all about 30 and 70. Okay, 30 and 70, less than 30, greater than 70, and between 30 and 70. For that, we need to scale it from 0 to 100. Let me show you why. Here you can see RSI range and interpretation 0 to 100 scale. That's why we are doing it. Otherwise we would have kept it till RS. We have till find out the average gain and average loss, and we have find out the output. But here they have told us to give us the data in range of 0 to 100. Let's execute it. I will show you something. Suppose I write print RS. Okay. What data you get? You get either less than 1. Okay. I don't see anything greater than 1, but anyways, I don't see anything. Let me check, is the formula correct? Average gain by average loss. Okay. Formula is not showing, but okay, there will be some positive days, negative days. In RS it comes in 1 and 2, but in RSI what we need 30 to 70. And what's the formula for this? 100 minus in bracket 100 divided by 1 plus RS. So if I keep print RSI and execute, right now see what's the scenario. Okay, it is in range of 100, 0 to 100. Okay, simple as it is, related to RSI, and that is for window 14 days. Okay, I hope you got it. Related windows, this mean RSI is equal to average gain by loss 1 plus RS. Is my formula correct? $100 minus 100 divided by 1 plus RS. This 14 means upper equal to this, lower equal to this. Okay, done and dusted. So we have find out the RS as well. We have done each and everything. 100 minus this and this, and the formula is there in the internet as well. So we have used the we have took the help of internet to find the output. Right now we need to keep everything in a CSV file. Okay, let's keep it. What things we have? We have daily returns, we have moving average, volatility, and RSI. Let's keep it here to CSV file. When we execute it, after that we just need to write the formula for this. I mean, formula matlab normal 2 CSV formula. What's the formula for it? MA20 dot 2 CSV, and in this what name should we write? Earlier we have 01, 02, 03 and 04, so it will be 05 underscore MA underscore 20 dot CSV. Okay, that's the thing. Same thing we will do for others as well. Let's copy and paste it. Control C. For 50 we need to do this 06 50. ठीक है. Then we need to find out volatility 30. Volatility 30. Let me take this. Control C, Control V. थर्टी. ठीक है. 30 हो गया. फिर RSI we need to take the RSI. For RSI what should we write? Simple RSI we should write, or okay, we have one more thing. I think daily returns also we have, but anyways we will do it. RSI, let's copy this, paste it. 8 RSI to CSV. Also we need to find data for the daily returns as well. I forgot that. Daily returns. Daily returns dot CSV. 5 6 7 8 9 20 50 volatility RSI daily returns. Okay, let's execute it. So done and dusted. So till now we have cleared out each and everything related to the latest requirement in the mail. Let's jump into the mail first. Okay, and let's go with the reply. Where is it? This comes into this. Yeah, like hi team, we have find out the requirements related to the above mail, and also attach the file for the same. ठीक है. Regards ठीक है. That's the thing. ठीक, and let's take care of the files as well. Let's see. 5 6 7 8 and 9. ठीक है. These are the files we should need to take care of. 5 6 7 8 9. Let's open. Okay. चलो, each and everything is attached here. Earlier it was 1 2 3 4. Right now 5 6 7 8 9. And let's check once. To the above I also attach the file for the same. चलो, we have done our part, and right now let's wait for the next requirement, and let's see what additional requirement do they tell us to find out from the data that we have sent to them. Let's wait for the next mail.